What's up, guys? I'm back with another video. Another day, another snowstorm in New York. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing today? So right now, as you can see, we are dealing with another snowstorm today. Woo! It is snowed like a couple days ago, and now it's snowing back again. So yeah, and we haven't had winter like this in past 3 years. So ooh, I'm actually happy like we're actually having some winter, because past 3 years it was barely any snow. So we get to enjoy this time. And today's vlog, let's see what we're gonna do. Guys, I was on my way to my friends, but I just stopped on the highway to show you guys how beautiful, how white it is. Look, all this behind me. Yeah, I'm on the highway because I don't want to drive and record. Everything is white around me. Woo. Look at these trees. So guys, I just made it to this park in Queens with a couple of my friends, and as you can see around me, I'm surrounded by all these trees covered in snow, man. Like, woo! It looks so beautiful. And over there is a sunset. You can't really see, but in the camera is not doing the justice, but in real life it looks so pretty. So yeah, man, look. Woo. This looks so beautiful. It looks like it's straight out of the movie or something. Ooh, so clean. In today's vlog, I already showed you half of like the snowstorm and everything. Now it's not snowing anymore and all that. So in today's vlog, I'm gonna try and make a snowman. I don't know how it's gonna be. I never made one, but let's do it for the vlog. Let's do it for you guys. I'm gonna make a snowman for you guys, and hopefully it comes out good. But before I get started, make sure you guys subscribe. Press the subscribe button. Come on, guys. We gotta get bigger and bigger. All right, so let's get to the work. I'm gonna make a snowman, and let's get ready. So guys, I made the first part, the first base. Now I'm going to the second part. Wish me luck. So guys, I tried making a snowman, but instead I ended up with a tower. Cause why? The snow is like too soft right now, so like it's not letting me like make a ball or anything. Plus I'm wearing these thick ass gloves, so like it's not letting me. But yeah, it's my snow tower or Eiffel Tower, whatever you wanna say. But that's it. Now I'm gonna take a picture with my Eiffel Tower. Ooh, so that's about it, guys. Oh, I tried, but I couldn't do anything. So guys, I'm gonna wrap up today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and my hard work trying to make the snowman. But it turned out to be a snow mountain or a snow tower. Make sure you guys stay safe. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay safe. And before I finish this vlog, since you guys are not here to enjoy the snowstorm with me, to enjoy all this beautiful snow with me, I got something